By clicking the Smart Follow icon in the app's interface, then clicking on the humanoid icons, the aircraft's camera will automatically lock the target and follow the flight. Turn on the power on the bottom of the drone. Place the drone on a horizontal plane. Turn on the remote control switch. Push up the joystick on the left side of the remote control first, then push it down. When the green light in front of the aircraft is always on and the red light on the back is flashing, it means that the frequency is successful. The left and right remote poles of the remote controller are pulled inward at the same time. At this time, the 4 blades rotate at the same time, and the lock is unlocked successfully. Press the geomagnetic calibration button once. The green light in front of the drone and the red light behind it will flash slowly at the same time. The drone turned clockwise and horizontally 3 times. Then the green light of the drone will flash and the red light will be on. When the orbiting button on the remote control is pressed, the aircraft automatically takes the current fixed point as the origin, so that the head is turned toward the origin. At this time, the drone in a stationary state. First move the rocker on the left side, then release the rocker. The aircraft will automatically rotate counterclockwise. First move the rocker on the right side, then release the rocker. The aircraft will automatically wrap around clockwise. By continuously dialing the side fly rocker on the remote control, you can change the speed of the drone around and change the direction of the drone. Increasing the radius of the surrounding of the aircraft can be achieved by turning the forward rocker of the remote control. Reducing the radius of the aircraft surround can be achieved by turning the remote's back rocker. Controlling the height of the aircraft surround can be achieved by turning the joystick of the remote control's throttle. Click the pointing flight icon on the app surface. At this point, the app switches from the image transfer interface to the map interface. Stretch and enlarge the position of the flight in the map. Then click the pen icon on the right. You can select a single waypoint or a continuous waypoint, and then set the flight path and range of the drone by drawing lines. After recording the waypoint, click the send icon under the app interface. The drone will automatically fly from the initial point to the waypoint and complete the preset flight path. When the light of the drone is flashing, the GPS signal is start to search. After the search is completed, the light of the drone is always bright. Wait for the interface to pop up a prompt box, and then click OK to unlock the flight. Tianyan, the 4-axis drone, uses GPS precise positioning system. Equipped with high-precision gyroscope, and positioning is more precise. 1080p HD camera stabilizes the high-definition image transmission. Real-time capture every moment, wonderful moment. Intelligent following function, liberating your hands. 360-degree interest point surround, easy to shoot cool blockbuster.